Question number 4 deals with what? Yes. Parallelogram, law of vectors. Parallelogram law of vector addition. Issue is the same. You have to find out what? Magnitude and direction of a resultant. So question number 4, first part. What is the law? State and explain parallelogram law. The statement is, parallelogram law states that if two vectors acting on a particle at the same time be represented in magnitude and direction by two adjacent sides of a parallelogram drawn from a point, one vector A. How to draw another vector? B. Another side starting from the same point. So there are two vectors A and B drawn from the same point. Again, if two vectors acting on a particle at the same time be represented in magnitude and direction by two adjacent sides of a parallelogram drawn from a point, their resultant vector result is, yes, resultant is a diagonal. But there are two possibilities. This is diagonal number 1, diagonal number 2. How do you specify which diagonal? Diagonal, which diagonal? Yes, starting from the same point will represent R. What is the angle between A and B? Angle between A and B is again theta. Same problem, previous one. There are two vectors. Angle between the two vectors is theta. Earlier method, triangle law. This is known as parallelogram law. Their resultant vector is represented in magnitude and direction by the diagonal of parallelogram drawn from the same point. One of the examples is, this is A, another vector is B, 4 units, 4j, A is 3i. Yes, resultant. How do you draw resultant? As a diagonal, starting from same point. Any idea about the magnitude of R? This is 3, this is 4. 3 square plus 4 square under root 5. So magnitude of R is 5. This angle, say, is beta. Tangent beta is equal to what? Tangent beta is 4 by 3. It's the same story. Triangle law and parallelogram law, the outcome is same. Then the second part, proof that you have to find out the magnitude of R. This vector was in the previous case what? A. This vector and this vector, these two lines are parallel. So this is equal to what? B. Again, if this angle is theta, this line and this line are parallel. What about this angle? Theta. This perpendicular is B sine theta. This horizontal distance is B cos theta. How do you find the magnitude of R? Same story. Magnitude of R is equal to, yes, in this triangle, right angle triangle, same as you have covered in previous question, 90 degree. R is equal to A plus B cos theta square plus B sin theta square under root is equal to what? A square plus B square plus 2AB cos theta plus B square cos square. I was writing the result. That is where the problem is. B square cos square theta plus 2 AB cos theta plus B square sin square theta under root. This B square cos square theta, B square sin square theta. What you get is B square. A square plus B square plus 2AB cos theta. Same result. So whether you apply the triangle law or the parallelogram law, magnitude of R comes out to be same. Then what about direction? Tangent beta. Yes. If this angle is beta, tangent beta is equal to what? Perpendicular by base. Perpendicular is how much? B sin theta divided by A plus B cos theta. 3 minutes to complete. The outcome of the two is same, no change. Refer to book, page number 2 by 120. 2 by 120, numerical number 1. Numerical is two equal forces act at a point. The square of their resultant is 3 times their product. Find angle between them. Try. 2 minutes to try. It is application of the same triangle law or the resultant. Numerical based on triangle law and parallelogram law. Two equal forces, equal in magnitude. The square of their resultant is 3 times their product. Find angle between them. This is how you will start. One vector A, another vector B. Magnitude of A and magnitude of B are equal. Angle between the two is theta. It is given magnitude of A is equal to magnitude of B. You may write this as X, not a problem. What is the magnitude of the resultant? The square of the resultant. It is given in the question. Square of the resultant is equal to 3 times product of the two, means R square is 3x into x. R square is 3x square. Concept or formula: R is equal to A square plus B square plus 2AB cos theta. Apply this. Two minutes, take time. This is the only line I use from chapter 2C in next 2 years for +1 +2 syllabus. take away s. R is equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab cos theta unto root. That's all. Yes. Anyone with the answer, please? 1, 2, 3, 4. Good. 5. 1 minute more. 6. R or R square is equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab cos theta. R square is what? 3x square is equal to a square x square plus b square plus 2ab cos theta. Agreed? Every branch you have x square, x square, x square. Here also you have x square. If you take x square common, what would 3 is equal to 1 plus 2 into cos theta. Solve and find cos theta. Cos theta. Cos theta is equal to what? 1 by 2. That is the first step. Now, theta. If it is after school to college. So, first quadrant possibility. Theta is equal to what? 60 degree. Angle, magnitude only. Whether it is plus 60 or minus, that makes no difference. Angle between A and B is 60 degree. 1. Numerical number 2. Question is, a particle has the following displacement in succession 12 meters towards east. This is how we are in this room. Dekho. This is north direction. This is a south, east, west. So, in plus 2 also this is how we move. See, this is north, south, east, west. This is a planar concept. So, person moves towards, first step is east. How much? How much? 12. Then towards north. How much? 5. Then upwards. So, if you mark this as x-axis, this as y-axis, this as a z-axis. So, write this as a vector. Write the movement of the person as a vector. I, J, K. We can draw it like this. I, east, north, J. Yes, first step. How much? How much? 12. I towards east. Then how much? 5 towards north. So 12I, this is 5J. Then 6 meter vertically upward. In this case, it will be like this, perpendicular to the plane. This is the plane. See, 12, 5, then perpendicular to this plane. That means this is towards the reader, like this. So 12, 5, and it is difficult to draw this, but it is written as like dot, means a vector towards the reader. How much? Yes, 6K. Am I right? This is I, J, this direction Z is marked as K. 3 directions, x-axis, y-axis and z-axis. So it is towards the reader. How much? 6 units. So how you write the result or effect? R is equal to 12I plus 5J plus 6K. How do you find the magnitude of the same? component of I square plus component of j square plus component of k square is equal to under root of what? It is under root of what? Yes, under root of what? How much? 205 is equal to? Yes, more than 14, less than 15. Answer is 14.32 units.